Hey Vsauce, it's Michael here. Welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play. We're going to be opening up this pie and trying it out. So let's see if I can cut a pie with one hand. That's the real test. So it has a pretty consistent texture, which is good. So that means it cooked well, I guess. I let it, instead of waiting for it to chill overnight, I just let it sit in the freezer for about an hour and a half, and it felt fine to go ahead and serve. So I'm gonna pause it here because I can't take out the slice with one hand. So unfortunately, the back of the crust may or may not have kind of broken off, so it's totally not leaning against that knife for visual display, but it looks very ricotta-ish, which is good since I used ricotta as a main ingredient. Here's the actual rest of the pie. So yeah, let's try a piece. That's my hand. It's very good. I like that it's not too sweet. There's a bit of an orangey flavor, which I thought it would be a lot less subtle, considering I used quite a lot of orange marmalade for this. It was like half a cup. It was basically, the recipe was like half a cup of orange marmalade. The original called for Sicilian blood orange preserves, but I don't know where the heck you can get that. So we used what we had here in Georgia, and then 2 cups of ricotta, and then I think half a cup of sugar and some salt and 3 egg yolks, and then 1 whole egg, and then you just mix it all together until it's a consistent liquid, and then you pour it into the pie shell and bake at 350 for about an hour and a half. And then I let it cool in the freezer for like maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours, I don't remember, but just until it feels like cold and it's not like, I don't know, it just looks like it's set, sort of. But yeah, it's pretty good.